It's food for Louis.
Hey, welcome to Food for Louis. This week I'm going to be eating roadkill, a rabbit. So we've been looking around and we've finally found a rabbit that is obviously fairly fresh. Doesn't look like it's decomposing yet, so I thought, you know, this could make a nice meal, tasty snack. So let's give this a go. Oh, I hope this isn't full of maggots or anything. It's so squidgy. Oh, I'm just gonna bite this. Let me just clear its skin. Oh, I can smell it already. Wow. Yeah, I can taste blood. I can taste blood. Wow. How the foxes do this? They've got sharp teeth. Okay, can you see that skin? And to get through that, that's tough. How? This skin is like leather. Wow. I can't get. Oh, I've just punched the skin with my thumb. Okay, you ready for it? Oh wow. Oh dear. This is gonna be bad. Wow. Wow. This is going to be fat, I think. I'm just going to be eating fat.
There's a man coming.
Okay, so we're filming, but a guy is apparently walking up from behind me, and I thought it was wise to stop because it made me look like a complete psycho. But
oh. Wow. Oh, that.
It's a quick photograph.
yeah, photo shoot. Doing the photo shoot here. So back to the rabbit. It's wow. This is. Oh, man. Let's get a big bite in there. Oh dear. Oh, I think I just bit into its intestines and maybe some poo came out. Was there poo in my mouth? Is it poo? Tastes a bit strange. Raw rabbit. Oh dear. Right. Oh. That's good meat. It's amazing how much meat is wasted with roadkill. I'm sure there's a lot of wasted meat that we don't take advantage of, so maybe more people should do this. I just stabbed myself with one of its ribs. Rabbit, raw roadkill rabbit. Wow, that was hard to swallow. Oh, right. So that guy's back, and he may have twigged. He may have twigged what we're doing. He's just pretending not to notice. He's just walking straight on by. Tune in for the next episode of Food for Louis. Gonna find some more roadkill. I think we're gonna do a series on roadkill. But, see you next time.
Food, yes it's food. I said food, yes it's food. It's food for Louis.